Point University opened a free physical therapy clinic to help people with no health insurance. The university surveyed more than 700 potential patients and found 1 out of every 3 patients suffered from severe pain. WFMY News 2's Candace Red is there now. So Candace, how is this clinic helping people?
Well, you know, we already showed off part of the clinic and pretty much so all it has to offer. And now you can kind of see we're in a dim lit room. That's because there's an MRI machine here. But before we show that off to you, I want to go ahead and get straight to Dr. Alicia Emerson. She is the assistant professor. This is in the Department of Physical Therapy. And Dr. Emerson, just go ahead and let us know exactly how are you all putting this MRI machine that's right behind us to good use?
This is going to be used within our pro bono clinic for the research. So we have specific questions that we'll be looking at as far as what happens with muscle and bone when you're injured. So it's a cool machine that we can look at whether you're standing up or laying down, but it's for our research projects that we'll have ongoing.
So once again, this is only for research purposes. This isn't something where patients will actually be using for their health. Is that my understanding?
That's correct, yes.
All right, and let's go ahead and talk a little bit now about the fact that, once again, a free physical therapy clinic. Wow, that has to be great for the community. How so?
It is so important to provide equitable quality of care to people regardless of what kind of insurance they have. So yes, this clinic is for people that don't have insurance, but you are going to get the same or better quality care than you could otherwise. And providing good health care allows people to improve the quality of their life as well as their quantity of their life, and gets people back to being who they want to be.
And I know that the university is taking this extremely serious. You all even did a study of more than 700 people, and a lot of them are basically saying that they do experience pain, and this was definitely something that was needed right here in the communities. But we want to know exactly how is it helping the students of High Point University?
It's a really unique opportunity where we can help the patients get better, but we also can inform the students on how to work with patients that have complex and chronic conditions. These are the conditions that are costing care system so much, and we need to be better informed so that we can get in front of these conditions and help the patients be more successful.
And I know about 60 students are involved with this clinic. It's going to be open 40 hours a week, but this is the first for the students participating in this inaugural program. A lot of pressure.
Yes, but they're very excited about it. They're very passionate about it. They are developing a board that will help us, run and do different community outreach courses that we're looking to do. So it's a great opportunity both for the students and the community.
All right, thank you so much, Dr. Emerson. Once again, if you're just now tuning in, High Point University just recently opened a free physical therapy clinic, and it's especially for people who do not have health insurance.